Ravi. I am a social development consultant and I have been wanting to repair my house in Vasalkunj, New Delhi. The windows especially. What better brand can you think of than Fenesta? Fenesta is a known brand and I've seen it in a couple of places, my friends' places. So, and I also have, people known in larger companies in Sri Lanka. So you are a brand. So therefore, I chose Fenesta. Coming to, the service of Fenesta, I must say it's been extremely professional. And if I were to rate it on a 10-point scale, I would not hesitate to rate it on about 9.5 on a 10-point scale. It starts with your dealer estimation to your the delivery. Even the delivery guys, they were extremely professional, and it was very smooth. I was really apprehensive that it might pose some risk, but they handled it so smooth, and I was amazed at the professionalism. Thank you for your service. Lovely. Yeah.